Hello, McCownlings. I'm very happy to see you today. Today's video is just going to give you a quick overview of what the last few weeks of school are going to look like. If you want to follow along with me, you can find it on the Canvas calendar on April 6th. So let's pull it up. You can find the overview of synthesis, the list of synthesis skills, and the calendar here. So, synthesis, it's a big word that we're going to be using a lot over the last couple of weeks. What is synthesis? In chemistry, synthesis means combining materials to create a chemical compound. On the AP Language and Composition test, you're going to be required to write a synthesis essay. If you click on this, you can find the link to the College Board page that explains the whole thing. But basically, it's like an argument where you create a claim and then you use evidence to support your claim. The thing that makes a synthesis essay different is that they give you 8 to 10 different sources that you need to combine or synthesize to help support your argument. Most of what I'm teaching in these last couple of weeks is going to be based on this how to write your synthesis essay document. So if you click on that, you can get a pretty clear step by step. But basically, the synthesis essay tests 5 different skills. Can you read and comprehend sources that are tough and tricky sometimes? They're going to give you a fun variety too. They'll be like visual and written texts, charts and graphs versus essays versus poems sometimes. It's going to be a good variety of texts that you'll look at. Can you write a thesis that states your position on an issue? Can you evaluate and organize your sources and how they fit into your argument? Can you find a specific evidence from each source that you're going to use to support your argument? And finally, can you write a clear and well organized essay? We're only going to be writing an outline though, because frankly, this is a weird time and I don't want to read a whole bunch of essays. So an outline is going to be our final product here on this assignment. So here's our calendar. Now, this is all tentative. You know, everything's kind of flexible. It's a very strange time, so there might be some adjustments here, but I wanted to let you know we have a clear roadmap. This is where we're going. That was very loud. Thank you, Windows. Okay, so week 1, we're going to be reading different texts and comprehending. It's going to be kind of a look back at the skills that we've done over the last semester. Week 2, we're going to write a thesis that states our position on an issue. Now this week it's going to be some research here. You're going to be looking up different sources and you're going to be kind of tying them together. So this is going to be a little bit more than just writing a thesis, but that's a big part of it. Week 3, you're going to evaluate and organize your sources. I have a handy chart here. If you want to see the rough draft that we used last year, you can click that. Week 4, you're going to pull out specific pieces of evidence from each text that you can use to support your claim. Week 5, you're going to actually put your essay outline together. And that'll be it for this. So 5 weeks of giving you some basic skills so that when you go into AP Lang next year, you know what you're talking about. You'll have a leg up on everybody else. Now you'll notice there's still 1 week left. That's week 6, and that's going to be just a week of reflecting, looking back, and honestly sending you off. I feel like it's been a really weird year, and I want a chance to say goodbye in a way that I like to do. So I look forward to it. Like I said, that's the general overview of what you're doing. I just wanted to give you an update. Thanks for watching the video, and there will be, of course, more information coming, but this is a great jumping off point. Have a great day, guys. Make the world around you a better place.